DSW Energy is a 2026 award-winning solar and storage company.
Hi, I'm David McElrea, CEO of the Smart Energy Council.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, the founder of SunWiz.
We've partnered to help consumers choose an installer for their solar and storage system.
SunWiz has determined DSW Energy installed more solar batteries last year than most other companies.
Of course, business size isn't the only measure you should use when choosing a solar installer. Bigger doesn't necessarily mean better.
Which is why we're happy to report DSW Energy is also among Australia's best rated solar businesses.
We take time to understand the customer needs, design proper system, back up with the quality installation and ongoing support. At the end of the day, we help customers save money, provide a solution, and also future-proof homes.
So we encourage you to buy from DSW Energy. They rank among Australia's top-tier solar installers.